How to fix your chat settings which is preventing you from sending messages in Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Roblox and click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. You'll find privacy and content maturity. Click on it and then click on communication, which is the second option. In here, click on experience chat. If experience chat and direct chat is no one, make sure your black dot is in everyone on both the option. After you've done that, simply your chat will be opened. This is how to fix your chat settings which is preventing you from sending messages in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.